little things clean now. Trying to decide if we'll
Well,
release
hopefully
it
she
or
didn't
turn
break
it
any
in
of her.
to the
Yeah,
animal.
that's the
Thing.
biggest
wing.
problem.
Give me a little exam.
Don't fly in my garage, okay?
There's something gooey on her wing right there.
Oh.
I
Want
think
some
this,
more, Dawn?
Because that's the thing with those sticky traps, they're just.
I think this bird has earned the name Sticky.
Aw.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe the food drew her in, or.
That's what I think.
Yeah, it must have just happened because Chelsea went to get something out of the freezer, and then I went in after her, and I'm like, "What is that?" I saw it's back. I'm like,
I just hope it didn't eat that poison bait.
"Chelsea, go sit down and finish your supper, please."
Okay. Updates later.